Welcome to Manufactura. Today, we explore how Coca-Cola bottles are carefully produced in a large-scale USA factory, from start to finish. The process begins with raw water intake. Every drop is filtered and purified to meet strict quality standards. Multi-stage purification balances minerals, ensuring the perfect taste and consistency for Coca-Cola. Syrup preparation starts with precise mixing of Coca-Cola ingredients under controlled temperatures. Each batch is inspected for quality, maintaining uniform flavor and carbonation levels. CO2 is carefully injected to carbonate the cola, creating that signature fizz. Empty bottles arrive and are washed and sterilized to guarantee safety and hygiene. Bottles undergo automated inspection for cracks and defects before filling. The liquid filling station precisely fills each bottle under pressure. Capping machines apply red Coca-Cola caps securely to each bottle. Automated sensors check pressure and leakage, ensuring perfect sealing. Bottles pass through labeling machines, where iconic red labels are applied accurately. Inkjet printers mark date codes and batch numbers on each bottle. Visual quality control cameras scan every bottle for defects and label alignment. Robotic arms group bottles together, preparing them for shrink wrapping. Heat shrink machines wrap the grouped bottles, creating tight, secure packaging. Shrink-wrapped bottles move to cartons, ready for automated boxing. Robotic arms place bottles into cartons efficiently and carefully. Cartons are stacked on pallets with precision for warehouse storage. Automated guided vehicles transport pallets across the warehouse safely. Warehouse overview shows neatly stacked pallets ready for distribution. Inventory scanners track each pallet, maintaining accurate stock levels. Bottles are continuously monitored to ensure the highest quality standards. Sensors check carbonation and seal integrity on every bottle. Robots adjust and align cartons on pallets for uniform stacking. Conveyor belts move pallets steadily toward shipping areas. Automated cameras verify carton labels and barcodes for accuracy. Pallet stacking is completed with robotic precision, preventing damage. AGVs transport pallets from production to warehouse storage areas. Warehouse lighting and organization support smooth logistics and safety. Panoramic views show the full bottling floor operating efficiently. Conveyor belts, machines, and staff maintain continuous workflow. Close-up of syrup mixing tanks shows precise temperatures and controlled flows. Ingredients combined consistently to achieve Coca-Cola's signature flavor. Carbonation tanks inject CO2 carefully, monitoring pressure and bubble consistency. Filled bottles move along conveyors under strict quality supervision. Capping stations apply lids accurately, preventing leaks and contamination. Automated inspection checks for proper sealing on every bottle. Labeling stations apply Coca-Cola labels with high precision. Inkjet coders mark each bottle with production and batch information. Visual inspection systems verify the integrity of bottles and labels. Robots group bottles for shrink wrapping to ensure secure packaging. Shrink wrapping machines cover grouped bottles with clear protective film. Automated systems move wrapped bottles smoothly to cartons. Cartons are formed and filled by robotic arms with careful alignment. Pallets are stacked precisely, ready for transport. AGVs carry stacked pallets efficiently to warehouse storage. Inventory systems scan and track every pallet for accuracy. Warehouse overview shows pallets neatly organized, ready for shipment. Factory lighting ensures safe and efficient workflow across the floor. Conveyor belts continue moving filled bottles seamlessly to capping stations. Automated sensors confirm liquid levels and cap placement. Label application is verified by cameras to maintain branding consistency. Inkjet printers ensure every bottle shows correct production information. Bottles pass through final quality checks for carbonation, sealing, and labeling. Robots group, wrap, and pack bottles efficiently for shipping. Shrink-wrapped bottles are inserted into cartons with precision. Pallets are stacked ready for warehouse storage and shipment. AGVs transport pallets throughout warehouse aisles safely. Warehouse overview confirms organized storage and workflow. Finished Coca-Cola pallets are ready for distribution to stores and consumers. The journey from factory to your hands completes, ensuring every bottle meets the highest quality standards.